Say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Say my name.
Y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Cynosure Hair Company. They sent me some of their body wave Brazilian bundles. I had them in 4 bundles in inches: 28, 28, 26, 26, and a 20-inch closure. I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of the braid pattern that the stylist used on me. I had my hair professionally installed by Eileen. She is located in the Glen Burnie area. I will have all of the details and her information in the description box, and also the hair details in the description box, so check that out as well. Now, I did get a sew-in install, and I am getting an illusion closure. So right now what you see her doing is installing the hair by sewing it in on a braid pattern that I showed you guys previously. This is not a step-by-step tutorial, just for you guys that were wondering. You know, it's just a rundown of what she did, not a step-by-step install tutorial at all. So as you guys can see, she is sewing the hair in, and she's doubling up the weft, so I'll be able to use all 4 of the bundles that were provided to me. Again, this is the body wave texture. All of the details are in the description box if you guys want to, you know, go ahead and check that out. So after my wefts were installed, she moved on to customizing the closure. I told you guys that I had a 20-inch free part, and off camera the knots were bleached, and now she's just plucking and tweezing to make the closure look more realistic. And once my parting was plucked to look, you know, like a real part to give scalp, she used a combination of mousse and stuff to lay the very edges of the closure and to really give it that illusion of being a lace front, but it's really a closure. So yeah, she went ahead and glued it down, and I sat underneath the dryer to let it all set. So after sitting under the dryer and the closure is now adhered to my head, she is, you know, about to flat iron the hair, because I told you guys that I did have the body wave, the Brazilian body wave texture from Cynosure Hair Company. So that's what you guys see her doing now. She did go ahead and flat iron the hair. Like I said, it came with like a really pretty body wave texture, but I wanted it bone straight. So at least we know that the hair can be straightened. It does get bone straight, sleek, and silky, just how I wanted it. Y'all see what it's giving on camera. So after she finished customizing my closure and getting everything organized, this is what it's given. It's laid. Like, it literally looks like scalp. So that was the whole purpose of the illusion install. You know, it gives a lace front without being a lace front, so it's an illusion closure, and it really looks like scalp. None of my hair is left out or anything like that. Only the closure is glued down. The rest is a sew-in. So yes, it looked bomb, and I'm really happy with the results. This is more of a high maintenance style, just so you guys are aware. But y'all see what it's giving. This hair is bomb. Sleek, bone straight, silky. You feel me? Bomb. So yeah, this is the end result and what it ended up looking like. This is a couple days after my install, but I really like the hair. It's very full, very silky, and you know, even straightened. It's full all the way to the ends of the hair, all the way throughout the hair. There's no skimpy, scraggly ends with Cynosure. I really hope that I'm pronouncing the company name correctly. Sorry if I butchered it, but yeah, I'm happy with the hair. Like I told you guys, I did get 4 bundles in a closure. So I had 2 28-inch bundles, 2 26-inch bundles, and a 20-inch closure. I don't see that bundle combination on their website right now, but a 24, 26, 26 with a 20-inch closure is available on their website right now for $145. So that is like a steal. That's really affordable for that length and bundle combination. So you guys be sure to check it out and check out all the links in our website, which is in the description if you guys are interested. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with the outcome and happy with the hair that I received. The quality is amazing. I'm going to have to do another video or like an update video of this hair. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to check the description box for all the details and links. And I will see you guys in our next video.